In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Gyroscope not working in Pubg Mobile. So what you need to do firstly is to close your Pubg Mobile app, and instead you're going to go into the Settings app on your phone here, as you can see. Now on the Settings app, go into General, then go into Storage right here. And now we're just going to wait for this one to load, and then when it's done, click on Search up here. Search for Pubg Mobile here, click on the app. Then just click on Offload app, and once again in here click on Offload app. Now just simply wait for it to completely update to its latest version. So we need to actually wait for this one to say reinstall app here first before we can actually proceed to the next step. So we're just going to wait and then click on reinstall app here, as you can see. So this is quite a big app, so it's going to probably take you quite a while. You shouldn't lose any progress, by the way. The only thing that will happen is that you're going to get the app with the absolute latest version. So just wait for it to finish, and then when it's done, just go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.